Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick practice in drawing a pose where the hands are behind the head. So to do this, we will first put that the line down. Please use very thin strokes. One line like that. Set of circles, line right there, then a very essential line, oval. You could put it here or you could even put it lower. That will depend if you need a perspective. Line, and that is, as you have guessed, the face, and then two arcs going like that, small circles, arc and arc. So that is the quick skeleton that we put down. Now to draw over this, we have to realize that the face is the object that is in the front, so we get rid of that first. And as you can imagine, if those are the eyes and the nose and the mouth, ears will be somewhere around there, and then it'll depend on the torso or the type of body that you're trying to put in and how close you're trying to make this appear. I'm trying to make this appear as if the arms are a bit away from the torso, and this is just a fairly athletic person. So as you can see, that those are the lines that I am drawing for the chest, the collarbone, and the forearms. And if I were to color this, of course, depending on the light source, let's say that the light is coming on from there, that is the easiest way to practice. We'll just put in some shading right there. Of course, you will put in the shading accordingly. The rest of the torso, again, depending on how much shadow you wish to reflect and what musculature you wish to reflect as well. But anywhere where the body is bulging or there's muscles, or for that matter fabric showing, you will be putting in that essential bit of shade to define your artwork a little better. Of course, it'll be more intense under the chin here if the shadow is falling down, and right around the face as well, but that is another story for another day. And of course, a bit of the forearms. There we have it. Quick exercise, putting down hands behind the neck or the head. So it's up to you what kind of details. You could draw the arms in even closer, but this is one essential quick exercise. I would also put in a bit of shade here cast by the head if it is a more intense light and shadow work going. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.